the 2025 model year, both the Soft-Tube and the RF version of the Miata are getting not just a facelift, but also a suite of mechanical, cosmetic, and technological enhancement, accompanied by a slight increase in the price across all models. Starting at $30,150 for the MX-5 Sport and stretching up to $41,375 for the MX-5 Club RF, the 2025 lineup reflects Mazda's commitment to refining its formula rather than reinventing it. The heart of this update lies in the mechanical improvement designed to enrich the driving experience. A new steering rack with a reduced internal friction paired with a retained power steering system promises smoother steering action and a more precise feel, especially during high-speed cruising and aggressive cornering. Particularly notable are the changes to the Club and Grand Touring models, which are now feature an asymmetric limited slip differential, offering different lockup settings for the braking and acceleration. This enhancement aims to provide better stability and reduce understeer. Additionally, the Club models introduce a track mode for its stability control system, raising the intervention threshold without fully disengaging the system, catering to the enthusiast who crave and a more spirited driving experience. On the cosmetic front, the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata introduced new LED headlights and taillights, multi-spoke wheel design, and an enticing new color option, Aero Gray. Inside, a larger infotainment screen now runs Mazda's latest system and marked the debut of Amazon Alexa integration in the Mazda vehicle. The introduction of the BBS of Brembo or Recaro package as a standard feature of the RF models and an option on the Club Soft-Tube underscore Mazda's focus on the performance. This package combines 17-inch BBS wheels, high-performance Brembo brakes, and supportive Recaro seat into a compelling option for driving enthusiasts. In summary, the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata builds on its legendary status with thoughtful updates that enhance its driving dynamics, aesthetic appeal, and technological offerings. Mazda continues to tread the fine line between innovation and preservation, ensuring the Miata remains a benchmark in its class without compromising the qualities that have made it a favorite among drivers worldwide.